Yes, now students, subtract and check the answer. Here we have to make subtraction, we have to do subtraction, and after subtraction, and also we have to check either our answer is correct or not. So these two things we have to do. So then first, this one more question is there in this bit, A bit, that is for your home assignment purpose. You have to do as your home assignment after completing this. First you understand this question first, then after that you do that question yourself. Now here solution. 35 crore 73 lakhs 83,864. Here 70 crores given. From this 70 crores we have to minus this one. We have to minus this one. From this first we have to take this. From means first we have to take this. This is our minute. This is our subtrahend. Minute and subtrahend. Don't take this one first. This is the small value. This is the big value. Minute is always bigger value. Minute is always bigger value. We have to take minute first. From means whatever from number is given, from numeral is given, that numeral we have to take first. We have to take first that numeral. Now here 70 crore. First 70 crore. Then after that 35 crore 73 lakhs 83,864. Then this is. Then minus. Then here 0. Lesser value. Minute is less. We take borrow. From where we take borrow? This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is all zeros. We take borrow from here. Borrow from here. From 7. From 7 it becomes 6 and here it becomes 9. Again from here borrow, it will get 9, it will get 10. Again from here borrow, it will get 9, it will get 10. Again from here borrow, it will get 9, it will get 10. Again from here borrow, it will get 9, it will get 10. Again borrow from here, it will get 9, it will get 10. Again from here borrow, it will get 9, it will get 10. Again from here borrow, it will get 9 and it will get 10. It will get 10. Then 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4. We count from 5 to 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Total 6. Means 10 minus 4 is 6. And here 9 and 6. 6 is there. 6 means we have to count from 7. 7, 8 and 9. 3. Then 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 and 8 is there. And 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. Then here 1. And here 9 and 3. 9 minus 3 is how much? From 4 we calculate till 4, 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. That is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. And 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. Again 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 from 4 to 9 we have to count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. Then after 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 means we count from 8. 8 and 9 means 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. Then 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 means we have to count from 6 to 9. 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. That is 9 minus 5 is 4. Then after that 6 and 3. From 4 to 6 we have to count. 4, 5, 6. It means 6 minus 3 is 3. Then answer is 34 crores 26 lakhs 16,136. This is a difference. This is a difference. Now after finding our answer, after doing minus, again he is asking to check. Check also means, so we have to check either our answer is correct or not. Then how to check? How to check? First we have to take the difference and the subtrahend. We have to add subtrahend and difference. So after adding subtrahend and difference, we should get minute. If you are getting minute, then your answer is correct. If you are not getting minute, then your answer is not correct. What? We have to add difference and subtrahend. Then first you write difference. What is the difference? 34 crore 26 lakhs 16,136. This is the difference. And after that here subtrahend, that is 35 crore 73 lakhs 83,864. This is your subtrahend. Now you add these two. After adding these two, we should get this one, that is 70 crore. If you are getting 70 crore, then your answer is correct. If you are not getting 70 crore, then your answer is not correct. So check is also asking check. Check means we have to add difference and subtrahend. After adding difference and subtrahend, we should get minute. Whatever the minute value we have, that we should get. Then check. 6 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is a double digit number, so 0 here and 1 here. 1 is very next to the place, that is on tens place. Then 6 plus 3, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. And again 1, 10. It is also a double digit. 10 means 0 here and 1 here. After that, hundreds place. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 is a double digit number. So in double digit number, 0 we keep below to hundreds place, and 1 we have to keep very next place, that is thousands place. That is thousands place. Then 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 8, 9, 10. 10 is also double digit number. Then 0 here and 1 here. And after that, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 is a double digit number. In double digit number, 0 we keep exactly at 10,000s place, and 1 is very next place, that is lakhs place. Then after that, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 8, 9, 10. Again 10. 10 means 0 exactly below to lakhs place, and 1 is on 10,000s place. 10 lakhs place. 10 lakhs place. Then 7 plus 2. 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means again 0 is on, 0 is exactly below to 10 lakhs place, and 1 is on the top of crores place. Crores place, that is very next to 10 lakhs place. Then 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means again the 0 is exactly below to the crores place, and the 1 is very next to place, that is 10 crores place. 10 crores place. Here we keep common. And now 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 70 crore. 70 crore. 70 crore. This is our minute. This minute. We got minute. After adding difference and subtrahend, we got minute. So our answer is correct. This is the way how to check. How to check? First we have to find the difference. This is the minute. This is the subtrahend. Minute minus subtrahend. After making minus, after completing our minus, again we have to check. How to check? First we have to take difference. Then after that we have to take subtrahend. Then after adding both minute and subtrahend, difference and subtrahend, we should get minute, that is 70 crore. So here we got 70 crore. So our answer is correct. This is way to check. Then in next question, one more, subtract the following number is given. So this is also the same. So we did so many questions how to subtract. So here, yes, now next question, subtract the following. So many questions did how to subtract. So when this is the minute and this is the subtrahend, then how to minus. We start minus from 0 to 10 lakhs. Here first one is 5. 5 is a bigger number. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. that is 4. That is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. 7. 7 minus 2, 7. This is 7. 7 minus 2 means 5. 7 minus 2, 5. Then this is 1. 1 means this is lesser than this subtend. Then we take borrow from next place. That is from 1000 place. Then it comes 11. It comes 2. 11 minus 3. 11. 11 minus 3 means 3. Here 3 is there. No? From 4 to 11 we have to count. 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 8. Total 8. 11 minus 3 is 8. Then 2. 2 is a minute value. Minute is lesser. So again we take borrow from next. That is 10,000. It comes 7 and it comes 12. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4. Here 4 is there. From 5 to 12 we have to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 8. 12 minus 4 is 8. And here 7 and 9. 7 is less. Again we should take borrow from next. Here 0 is there. So it means we have to take borrow from here. So from here, if you are taking borrow from here, it comes 5, it's come 10. Again from here borrow, it comes 9, it comes 17. It comes 17. From 9, 17 minus 9 is from 10 to 17 we have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8. 17 minus 9 is 8. And after 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 means from 3 to 9 we have to count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 7. Total 7. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 means 3 to 5 we have to count. 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. This is a difference. So this is the method to find difference in subtract. So and this is the way to subtract and also check. So now here, simplify the following. Here the combination of addition and subtraction is given. Addition, subtraction combination is given. When addition, subtraction combination is given, first we have to check what is there. If addition is there, we have to add. If subtraction is there, we have to subtract. The similar question we did, so previously we did. So again the same question, one more question is there. Just once you check here. First here, how many digits are there? First you have to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 6 digits were there. Then first addition sign is there. So now you add. So whatever the addend you want to take first, that is your wish. First you want to take this or this. So in addition, if order will change, then the answer will never change. So that is your wish. First whatever you are going to take, whatever addend you are going to consider, that is your wish. And I want to take this 8 lakh 11,341. This is the first addend, and the second addend 7 lakhs 817. This is the second addend. This is the addition. Why addition? Because addition sign is given. Addition sign is given. Now 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 8. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is a double digit number. So 1 is here and one more 1 is on the top of next place. Next place value. That is on thousands place value. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 0 plus 1 is 1. And 8 plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8 plus 7 is 15. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands, this is 10,000s, this is lakhs place. 15 lakhs 12,158. This is our answer. This is our sum. From this answer we make minus. Which one? This. 3,42,842. From this plus this addition. From this addition we have to minus this one. That is 3,42,842. This is minus. Then 8 is a minute is bigger, then no need to take borrow. 8 minus 2 is 6. How? 8 minus 2. 3 to 8 we have to count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 6. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. And here minute is less, we take borrow from next. That is from thousands place, it comes 11, it comes 1. 11 minus 8, it means from 9 to 11 we have to count. 9, 10, 11, that is 3. And after that here 1 and 2, it is less value. So again we take borrow from, so 1 comes 0, it is 11. 11 minus 2, it means from 3 to 11 we have to count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, total 9, total 9, total here 9. Then after that 0, 0 and 4. This is less value, minute is less. Again we have to take borrow from next. Becomes 1 and it is 4. 10 minus 4, 10. Minus 4 means from 5 to 10 we have to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Total 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1 and this 1. This is our final answer. 11,69,316. This is the combination of addition and subtraction. Combination of addition and subtraction is given. First addition combination there. First we have to add. From that answer we have to make minus whatever is given the next numeral. So then final answer is 11,69,316. The next question. Write the number which is 93,491 less than 1000. So less than 1000 number we have to write. So 93,491, from this number we have to make minus. So after making minus, whatever number will come, so that is lesser number, less than 1000. 1000 less than this number. Okay. First you have to take this number first and this number next. This as your minute and this as your subtrahend. 93,491. So 10,000 less number we have to find. 10,000 less number we have to find. Then 1 minus 0, 1. 9 minus 0, 9. 4 minus 0, 4. 3 minus 0, 3. 9 minus 1, 8. So 10,000 less number is 83,491. 491. This is your answer. One more question is there for your home assignment that you do as your home assignment. Now, in this, place value is given in blocks at the correct place. So here places, here this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place, this is 10,000s place, this is lakhs place, this is 10 lakhs place, 10 lakhs place. Here some blocks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this 7 we have to find the correct number in these boxes. Here 6 and 1 is there. So then when we get 6, when we get minus from this is the subtrahend, this is the subtrahend, this is the difference. So how to get minute? After adding these two, we will get minute, means 6 plus 1, 7. If we add 6 plus 1, 7, then we get minute. This is the answer. This is the answer. How we will get this answer in this ones place? Here subtrahend is given and difference is given. Add subtrahend and difference, then you will get minute. Then you will get minute. Then in the next in tens place, 2 and 0 is there. This is the bigger number and this is the smaller number. Bigger minute is bigger number, then no need to take borrow and all. Then 2 minus 0 is 2. And here 3 and 2 is there. 3 and 2. What number should minus from 3 to get 2? Then that is 1. 3 minus 2, that is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. And after that, here 2 is there. Here minute is not given. How we will get minute? If you add subtrahend and difference. Subtrahend and difference 4. Subtrahend is 2 and difference is 4. Add subtrahend and difference 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Then this is our minute. Minute is absent here. How we will get minute? Adding subtrahend and adding difference. 2 plus 4, that is 6. That is 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Then after this, here 5. What number should minus to get 2 from 5? That is 3. That is 5 minus 2. That is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then here 8 and 4. So what number should minus from this? Then we get 8. Then we get 4. That is 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. That answer we have to take here. And after that here, this is the subtrahend and this is the minute. Minute is lesser than, subtrahend is bigger than. When minute is less, then we take borrow from next place. That is from 10 lakhs place. After getting borrow, then here we get 12 and here we get 3. Now make minus. 12 minus 8. Means from 9 to 12 we have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12. That is 4. And 1 is here. So then 3 minus 1 is how much? 2. That we have to keep here. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Whenever subtrahend is not given, when here subtrahend means here subtrahend is not given, then we minus from this to this. Means this is minute to difference. Minute to difference, then we will get subtrahend. If minute is not given, we have to add this and this. Means subtrahend and difference. This is the method, this is the formula. So we already learned in our 4th class. First formula, subtrahend plus difference. Subtrahend plus difference, we will get minute. Minute minus difference, we will get subtrahend. Minute minus difference. Minute, this is minute minus difference. 3 minus 1, we will get subtrahend. We will get subtrahend. Then how we will get minute? If we add these two. 6 plus 2, we will get this one. If adding these two, we will get this. If we make minus these two, then we will get this one. So this is the method how we will find the missing numbers. So use this method and find all these values correctly. One more question is there in your textbook, and that question is for your home assignment. Now students, here read and solve. First, this is a word problem. First we have to read, and after that we have to solve. So what is given in this? David's father bought a refrigerator and a computer for rupees 72,809 rupees. If he pays rupees 32,565 for computer, then how much did he pay for refrigerator? Here he is given the cost of refrigerator and computer. For the both refrigerator and computer, how much he has to pay? He has to pay 72,809 rupees. Out of this amount, so how much he pays? Oh, David's father. How much he pays? 32,565 amount he has to pay. Then this much amount if he has to pay, then how much more amount he has to pay for refrigerator? So in the total amount, some amount he pays. Some amount he pays means some of the amount over. Then how much amount left means we have to make minus here. First we have to decide. So after reading here numerical, so after you reading word problem, first you decide here addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. First you have to decide. So that is the important. So then after that steps are important. So then here the cost refrigerator and computer cost is equal to rupees 72,809 809. Then amount paid for computer is equal to rupees. How much amount he paid? 32,565. This much amount he paid. Out of 72,809, this much amount he paid. Then how much amount he has to pay for refrigerator? Computer amount he paid. What amount he paid? Computer amount he paid. So total refrigerator and computer cost is there. That is 72,809. Out of this amount he paid computer amount. Then how much amount left? So that here we have to make minus. Here subtraction. 9 minus 5. 9 is a bigger number. This is the minute. Minute is bigger. No need to take borrow. So then 5 means 6 to 9 we have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. This is 4. And here 0 and 6. 0 is less value, so we take borrow from here. It becomes 7 and it comes 10. 10 minus 6 means 7 to 10 we have to count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. And here 7. 7 minus 5. 7 is a bigger number, no need to take borrow and all. Then 5 here, 5 to 7 we have to count. 6, 7. That is 2. Then 2 minus 2, same number and same number. If same number itself minus, then answer is 0. Then 7 minus 3. 3 means from 4 to 7 we have to count. 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 4. 40,244. Conclusion step. So how more? More amount. He has to pay for refrigerator. More amount, that is 40,244. This is rupees. This is rupees. This much amount he has to pay. That is 40,244. First, what is the question in this question? What he has given? He has given the refrigerator and computer. The total cost, refrigerator and computer cost is given. That is 72,809 rupees. In out of this amount, so David's father paid 32,565 rupees for computer. This much amount he paid. Then how much amount left he is asking. How much amount is left means we have to make minus. We have to find minus. We have to subtract. After subtracting 40,244, this much amount is left. This is the amount for refrigerator. So then whatever the balance, this is a conclusion step. More amount he has to pay for refrigerator is 40,244. Therefore, this is the refrigerator cost. This much more he has to pay.